In placing your zipper by the side of the trousers, this can either be an open zipper or a concealed zipper. Any of these two can work perfectly. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will be showing you how to fix a concealed zipper. So here is my zipper. For a concealed zipper, one side is going to be opened and the other side will overlap. So that is why it is called concealed. Something that is covered up by fabric. But if it is an open zipper, you will have the two sides beside the zipper coil. So you will be seeing the zipper coil on the surface. So this is how open zipper looks like. But for concealed zipper, I will have one side like this and I will have this other side covering up the first side. It will cover up the whole of the zipper. So it is ideal for skirts and trousers if your zipper is going to be by the side. So this is better than open zipper, because if your zipper worn out, there is no fabric that will be able to cover it up. For concealed zipper, if your zipper worn out unexpectedly, the side that cover up the zipper will protect the zipper from being exposed. Okay, so I have this piece. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. The left hand side will cover up the right hand side, or better still, this is the front and this is the back. The back will cover up the front. So I will start with the front side. So the metal I have on my zipper is going to be a little bit below the end of the zipper, which is the hip point here. It's going to be about 1/4 inch below that point. Then I will position the edge of my fabric, the zipper allowance, beside my zipper like so. Can you see what I'm doing? This is the front piece. Then I will open it up like this. So while I open it up, I will have my zipper and my zipper allowance on the wrong side. Then I will be holding the two together like so. Can you see what I have? Then with the help of the ironing I did, I have my line on the zipper allowance. So I will hold this, then I will pin the edges. This has to be very close to the zipper coil. So I will continue pinning the fabric and the zipper together like so. And I will make sure I position my seam allowance to fall exactly beside the zipper coil, which is here. Can you see what I have? Then I will take it like so. On the right side, you can see what I have. Can you see? The fabric is very close to the zipper. So now I will be stitching on the zipper allowance line I ironed out. That is the part I pinned. So I will stitch from this point, which is the zipper point, to the waist point at the top. Okay, and because of this, I have to change my presser foot to zipper foot. Okay, now I have this attached, and this is what I have on the wrong side. Can you see the wrong side? You can see I have the zipper allowance and the zipper together in the same direction. So if I turn this to the right side, this is what I have. So after doing this, make sure you open your zipper and close it, because if it is too close, if the fabric is too close to the zipper, you won't be able to open your zipper up and down. Can you see? So which means with this, my fixing is correct. Okay, so you can see what I have on this side. If I'm making an open zipper, I will apply the same method on the other side. So which means I will be having the same thing on both sides. So with this, I will have my zipper opened. Can you see what I have? Like so. So this is what is called an open zipper. But because I'm making a concealed zipper, in this case my fabric will overlap on the zipper like so. So this is the back panel. The back panel will be on the front panel. So I will take this like so. So make sure you concentrate on the lower part of the zipper. It must not squeeze. Okay, so this is going to be a guide for you on how to overlap your fabric. Can you see what I have here? So I will make sure I have this side laying flat and neat. And I will secure it with my sewing pin. So with this, I can continue with the remaining parts. You can see this is quite different from a front fly zipper. So guys, now I have this pinned. Then the next step is to stitch the other side of the zipper. So in doing this, I will be measuring 1/2 inch from this edge. So wideness of 1/2 inch is enough for concealed zipper. Then I will be taking this downward like so. Then when I get to the zipper point before the zipper metal, I will cross it over like so. So while you are doing this, make sure you did not tamper with the zipper coil. So now I will be stitching on the line I drew out. Can you see the shape I have for my zipper? So I will make sure I have a very nice shape. So when I get to the mark point, I will cross over the zipper. So this type of zipper can be applied on skirt as well. It is very ideal for skirt making. So apart from this, you can as well make use of an invisible zipper. Okay, you can attach an invisible zipper by the side of your trousers as well. So guys, now I have this stitched and this is what I have. You can see the effect of the concealed. Can you see the side? This is the first side and this is the other side. Okay, so please, this cannot be attached on the center front of the trousers because of the flesh. Okay, the zipper will be holding the flesh together. So that is why a fly zipper is ideal for the center front. Okay, but for the side, you can make use of a concealed open zipper or an invisible zipper.